Hello, myself Prajakta Munde of Center Sadar Girls High School and Junior College, Nagpur, and I am from class 10th. This is a science club activity.
By Chinese authorities have identified human cases with onset of symptoms in early December 2019. While some of the earliest known cases had a link to a wholesale food market in Wuhan, some did not. International, national and local situation during COVID pandemic. The global COVID-19 pandemic is affecting everyone but in many different ways, stimulating contrasting reactions and responses, opportunities for some and difficulties for many. A simple survey of how individual workers in urban ecology have been coping with COVID 19 constraints found divergent responses to COVID 19 on people's activities both within countries and between continents. Many academics felt frustrated at being unable to do field work, but several saw opportunities to change ways to working on reviving their engagement with the natural world. Some engaging with social groups and found new ways of sharing ideas and developing aspirations without face to face contact. Practitioners creating and managing urban green space had a device way to work and travel while maintaining social distancing. Characteristics of COVID-19 virus. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus is highly transmissible and pathogenic coronavirus that emerged in late 2019 and has caused a pandemic of acute respiratory disease named coronavirus disease 2019, which threatens human health and public safety. In this review, we describe the basic virology of COVID-19, including genomic characteristics and receptor use, highlighting its key differences from previously known coronaviruses. We summarize current knowledge of clinical, epidemiological, and pathological features of COVID-19 as well as recent progress in animal models and antiviral treatment approaches for COVID-19 infection. We also discuss the potential wildlife host and zoonotic origin of the emerging virus in detail. Symptoms of COVID-19. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diaphragm, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discolorization of finger and toes. Serious symptoms: difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Public health activities underway in India. The diversity of India is reflected in the COVID journey of states which are at different levels of infection, response and recovery. Maharashtra and Gujarat display high numbers, rising active cases and lower recoveries, while Kerala and Tamil Nadu show rising recoveries and a reducing active cases trend. 10 states currently account for 90% of India's infections. Behind the scenes, however, India's federal structure is at play with centralized policy decisions and action guiding centralized and conceptualized response in the states. Preventive measures to be taken during COVID-19. Persons above 65 years of age, persons with comorbidities, pregnant women are advised to stay at home except for essential and health purposes. Office management of facilitate the process. The generic preventive measures include simple public health measures that are allowed to to reduce the risk of infection with COVID-19. These measures need to be observed by all employees and visitors at all times. This includes individuals must maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet in public places as far as feasible. Use of face covers, masks to be mandatory. Practice frequent hand washing with soap for at least 40 to 60 seconds. Even when hands are not visibly dirty, use of alcohol-based hand sanitizer for at least 20 seconds can be made whenever feasible. Thank you.
By this project, I really got to know different information about COVID-19. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.